this video I want to show you how to insert an automatic date for printing. To do this, we will use the following tools. First, we need to click on the ABC icon. Then select the clock icon. At the bottom you can notice a lot of ready-made templates that form an automatic information system, such as date, time, and night or daytime designations. You just need to enter them in the field for generating information. You can use any characters to separate. The main thing is to make sure that the current date and time is set in the printer. For example, I will now create my own form. In the preview field you can see the result. Great, now we need to apply the settings and see what happens. Okay, now the template is ready and it will change automatically. The main thing is not to forget to save the changes. Subscribe to our channel, we still have a lot of interesting things.